Our today's topic is shoot apex, the organization of shoot apex, and various theories related to organization of shoot apex. First, we take it what is the shoot apex and shoot apical meristem. The shoot apical meristem is the terminal meristem of the shoot, which is the continuing embryonic region of the plant. It continuously gives rise to new cells and tissues formed, which new organs are formed. It is self-determining and autonomous organizing center of the plant. The basic characters of shoot apices and apical meristem is a regular division of cells in various plants. These cells are prominent nucleus, less number of vacuoles, or almost they lack the vacuoles. The basic characters of these cells are the meristems, divisible and unspecialized cells, divide and become specialized in relation to their function. In this chart we show three types of meristem: apical meristem, intercalary meristem, lateral meristems. Then the apical meristem located in the tips of stems and roots, which known as shoot apices and root apices. The main function of apical meristem is the growth increase in length at the tip region of plants. Intercalary meristem between the tip and base, stem and leaves. The function of intercalary meristem growth increase the length between the nodes. Lateral meristem sides of stems and roots growth increase in diameter. In this diagram we show the apical meristem on the tip, intercalary meristem between the nodes and other regions, and lateral meristem organized in lateral areas. The characteristics of these cells: saps isodiametric, spherical, oval or polygonal. Arrangements compactly and lack intercellular spaces, dense cytoplasm, large, distinct and prominent nucleus, have capacity to regular divide. Now we study shoot apex. The shoot apex, the region of plant where new leaves and tissues of the stem arise, and the most of the upper part of plant above ground level, all formed from shoot apex. The various theories related about the organization of shoot apex are the apical cell theory, histogen theory, tunica corpus theory. We study this apical cell theory. This theory given by Hofmeister and later elaborated by Nageli. According to this theory, a single cell known which is apical cell is structural and function unit of the whole shoot apical organization, which have the capacity to entire processing of apical growth and form the above ground plant part. In this diagram, we saw that one single apical cell which have a capacity to form the whole plant. The apical cell theory given by Einstein, Hofmeister and Nageli have a capacity to easily define the shoot apex organization of algae, bryophytes and some pteridophytes. Next theory is histogen theory given by Einstein. According to histogen theory, three distinct and prominent regions organized in the shoot apical meristem. These three regions is: first is dermatogen, second is peribelum, and third is plerome. Each develop from the independent group of initial of cells which is known as histogens. The dermatogen, we take it first, the outermost and uniseriate layer, which have the main function to form epidermis or outer layering of the plant. The peribelum middle region composed of isodiametric cells. The peribelum cells have a capacity to form hypodermis, pericycle, some part of ground meristem, cortex, etc. The plerome is the central and innermost, which from procambium, endodermis, some vascular tissues वगैरह etc. as found by plerome. In this diagram, these three regions distinctly shown is the outer layer is dermatozone, next is peribelum, and innermost is plerome. Next theory is tunica corpus theory given by Smith in 1924. Tunica and corpus is the two distinct parts of the shoot apical organization. According to Smith, two regions can be distinguished by their plan of cell division. Apices are the best described by this theory. Angiosperms, shoot apices are the best described by this theory. These concepts used to describe apical structure of vegetative and floral part. In this diagram, we saw two regions easily. The outer region is tunica and the innermost known as corpus. Dome-shaped part of apical meristem have one to several outer layers. Regularly arranged, arise from a specific group of initials. The tissue moss beneath the superficial layer, more random arrangement. Tunica characters 1 to 7 layered outer portion is known as tunica. Plane of division almost entirely anticlinal. According to this diagram, we saw this is the only anticlinal divisions. The corpus central region, plane of division may be quite randomly various planes. Again, this divide in two forms according to their characters. First is usual type, one is CMC, second rib meristem, and third peripheral. Second type is open shear type, cambium like central transition zone. Now we further divide these three regions, study these regions. The first one central zone. These are promeristem and known as also wetting meristem. Corpus plus portion of tunica. Then rib zone pith meristem. Below central zone is rib zone or central rib meristem. Peripheral zone or peripheral meristem encircles the other zones, mostly meristematic, eumeristem, densest protoplasm and smallest dimensions, give rise to leaf primordia, procambium, cortical ground tissue. Origin of these types of cells, evidence of surface layer in apex, wax reduced arrangement and aspect of cell is fixed. Thanks, that's for today.